I'm Brandon, and this is Partly Built, and today we're going to be working on this mower that won't start. Basically, I've tried everything that I could, checking the ignition coil and a spark plug. Both of those were fine. I put starting fluid in the carburetor and it wouldn't start. So my guess is that it's got bad compression. I have the Maddox Deluxe compression kit, and this is what your kit looks like, minus the pressure gauge and adapter that I'm using right now. I already have mine hooked up. Basically, you want to take off the ignition coil, take out the spark plug, put in the thread adapter, and then hook up your gauge. Now we're going to get some pulls. And check our gauge. We are reading at 30 psi, which is no good. That is way too low. I think anything below 65 psi is basically a head gasket issue on the engine, or it could be worn rings. I'm going to do one more test to try to see if this is salvageable. So to test if your piston rings are bad, we want to throw a teaspoon about of oil through the funnel into the combustion chamber or through the spark plug threads. Now, if we increase in compression pressure, then that means that our rings are bad and this isn't going to be worth working on. And basically, it's just going to be a parts mower. Now that we have some oil in here, and yes, I spilled, we're going to go ahead and put back our compression kit. Now that we're all hooked back up, let's go ahead and pull it. Okay, so since we did our oil test and we're still at 30 psi, it's kind of good news. Essentially, it could be a handful of things. It could be our head gasket is worn. It could also mean that our valve clearance is bad, so that's right here. We'll check that next. And it could also mean our valves are bad. But I have high hopes. I think that this will probably be something more on the simple side. I think if I had to put money on it, I'd check the valve clearance. We'll check that next.